Como might seem like an underrated town. A lot of visitors travel straight to Verona, Bellagio, or Menaggio, and Como doesn't usually make it to the top of their lists. But that doesn't mean that it's not worth your time. There are so many cool places to visit in this town, such as the Como Cathedral, for example. The town could get quite crowded, so if you have the chance, try to spend some time in the center in the morning. You'll be able to enjoy the beautiful Italian streets and architecture with almost nobody around. One of the most popular things to do here is, of course, to ride the Como-Brunate funicular. You can buy tickets inside and choose whether you want a one-way or return ticket as well. The funicular can get quite busy, but I guess we were lucky because we didn't have to wait long and even got the seat inside. What's quite special about this funicular is that it's over 130 years old. It was built to connect lakeside Como with the hilltop village of Brunate. When it first opened, the system was powered by a steam engine. Later, it was converted to electric operation. The journey takes roughly 7 minutes and reaches gradients as steep as 55%. Considering how old it is, it might even give you a few butterflies in your stomach. From the top station on clear days, you can see not only Lake Como, but also parts of the Alps, the Po Valley, and even distant skyscrapers of Milan. Brunate's nickname is the balcony of the Alps because of these sweeping views. Because of the trees, you won't be able to see much of the lake from most places. There is one spot though that offers a much better view, the famous lighthouse. The first question most visitors ask is why there is a lighthouse on a mountain. It wasn't built for ships at all. Instead, it was built as a monument to the Como-born inventor of the electric battery. It's a bit of a hike to get there, to be honest. We followed the roads at first, then switched to a hiking trail that turned out to be more difficult than expected, and eventually switched back to the roads. It took us around half an hour to reach the lighthouse on foot. However, we also saw an advertisement for a bus service. Since we were heading up around sunset, there was naturally no bus running at that time. If you climb to the top of the lighthouse, you are supposed to get amazing views. The funicular itself runs every 15 minutes until midnight, so you can stick around and enjoy your views. I hope you enjoyed this vlog too. If so, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.